Whoa, America's this Lex. Y'all know it's everybody's favorite, Mr. Elon Musk. At the IRobot Robo-Taxi event, he unveiled IRobot? Ladies and gentlemen, I really don't know if y'all remember that movie IRobot. I don't know if it's art imitating life, life imitating art, or life and art imitating tech. But listen, technology ain't going nowhere, America. It looks like it's just going to get more and more integrated into everyday human life. And Elon Musk seems to be wilding out with it. America, make sure y'all subscribe. And America, peep this.
Quite fantastic. Oh, and what happens if you need a vehicle that is bigger than
What?
you were building?
The Tesla van!
This is we're going to make this, and it's going to look like that.
Oh my gosh! Of course they're going to make this.
And you see this coming towards you. That was sick. So this can carry up to 20 people, and it can also
Optimus.
People here today.
It's insane. It's even talking.
Say hi to my friend John. John? Where's John?
Right here.
Oh, hello, John.
How are you?
How you doing? Very good.
That's crazy. I'm
Where
talking to a
from,
robot.
John?
From San Jose. Probably from where you were born in Silicon Valley.
Wonderful. Where do you live in San Jose? Do you live in Almond Valley, or do you live in Santa Teresa area?
No, I live in Los Gatos.
Los Gatos. Oh, wonderful. Very nice area.
Where do you live?
Beautiful hiking I hear out there.
There is. Where do you live?
I live in Palo Alto at the current moment.
Figures. Yeah, this is awesome.
That's where they train us, that's where we get our builds, and that's where we work with a wonderful group of people.
What's the hardest thing about being a robot?
Trying to learn how to be as human as you guys are. And that's something I try harder to do every day, and I hope that you will help us become that way.
Well, awesome. Nice to meet you, Optimus.
You as well.
Wow, party.
You got it. You win. Can't beat a robot. I kind of want this one touch. Okay.
Hey, everyone having fun? How's everyone doing? Please, let me know.
Elon. He's a techno king.
Optimus can talk?
Yeah. He also does sign language.
Hey Optimus, what's up?
How's it going, man? Enjoying the party?
What do you think of the new cybercab?
Cybercab looks amazing.
I know.
I'm trying to get a ride.
Dude, me too.
See that? Yes. You want to get a photo? Yeah, for sure. Let's do it. Little video. Hey. Sweet. Thanks, man. Bro. Appreciate it. Of course, anytime.
All right.
How's everybody doing? How's everybody doing? Tremendous.
Doing good.
Peace, everybody.
How are you doing?
I'm doing pretty good.
Nice.
I love the change. How's everybody doing?
Doing good. All right.
Then step right up.
Can I have a watermelon fogarita?
A watermelon?
Yeah.
Of course you can.
Hey, what's up?
Cheers, man. How am I doing so far?
Killing it.
Thank you so much.
Oh,
Here you go.
thanks, Optimus. Appreciate it.
Of course, anytime.
Whoa! Elon Musk unveiled that prototype robo-taxi, whatever he's gonna call it, and this thing is wild. He also unveiled that robovan, that van. It looks like a autonomous party bus robotic kind of situation, and also the humanoid, the Optimus robot. Now, ladies and gentlemen, if that's not straight out of Elon Musk, listen, sir, if you want to admit that you've been watching IRobot and a lot of the tech movies, and you go in there with your team and you tell them, hey guys, look, I need you to replicate this. I need you to watch IRobot, and I need you to replicate the robotic humanoids in IRobot. And that's exactly what it did, America. Let's keep it a bean. Because when you look at these things, it's a bit nostalgic, because it's like, whoa. We saw that in a movie. We saw that in IRobot. We saw that in Transcendence. A lot of these things, it makes you wonder if Steve Jobs, it makes you wonder how crazy that would have been, right? But now look at this. Look at how everybody has an iPhone. You know, Apple does a great thing at integrating its apps and even the look of the phone. Apple makes everything one. Apple is like the standard for the industry standard. And when I say that, I mean Apple in a way kind of takes out the individuality in things and it makes it for everybody. And I noticed this when I was younger, when I was in high school, and I would see a bunch of people with iPhones, and I'm like, yo, everybody got iPhones and they all kind of look the same. Y'all get what I'm saying? Like, Apple makes everything very uniform and it strips the individuality away. And I could honestly see like Tesla. Tesla kind of does the same thing in a way, where with the Cybertrucks, unless you customize in that Cybertruck, all of them kind of look the exact same. And that's what technology does. Technology, look at the followers, look at the trends. You got trends and friends and all of these things on these ends. And it depends, but technology really unifies people, but it can also make everybody just think in a way robotic, right? Technology is for everybody, but here's my thing with this, America. Could these kinds of technologies stop slavery? Could they stop unfair working conditions? Because Elon Musk said that the robot could do anything. You tell the robot, hey, yo Optimus, wipe my ass. Could you make it farm? Could you tell it, hey, go outside and plant 10 rows of tomatoes? Now look, if it does that, then that is pretty interesting. Does it eliminate slavery and unfair working rights? So I think maybe there could be a positive side, but technology always needs the collective to regulate it. If technology is just running rampant, that's not good. Technology needs responsible programming, and it also goes into, well, taxis. What does this mean for a lot of Uber drivers, Lyft drivers? What does that mean for the taxi cabs, the yellow cabs? When you look at a lot of movies that are futuristic, they'll have the cars flying in the air. And I'm going to be honest with y'all, we've seen flying car prototypes and they're out there. So America, we're definitely going towards the future. And I don't think there's any way that we can avoid that. People are just looking, well, some people may not have programming skills like that. Some people may not be the best with programming computers, technology, and things like that make people a bit nervous. If they're already not that tech savvy, well, when you come out with a humanoid robot and a autonomous van that literally drives itself, parks itself, you don't even got to touch the doors. You don't even got to change the gas. What does that mean for even mechanics and stuff like that? All of these new inventions, they're going to modify and disrupt. They're going to be a disruptor for some. But if your technology integrated to make these things accessible and work wittable for you and your family, and if you're regulating it responsibly, then technology could be a good thing. But as we can see, technologies like this, what Elon Musk is coming out with, I mean, what about people that help with household chores and assistance and cleaning people? What about those companies that clean up the house for you when you call them? Can you tell that robot to do your laundry? What about when you start telling those robots, hey, yo, go to the store for me? How does that work? If one person sent the robot to the store and then another person sent it to the store and then they bumped into each other. Ladies and gentlemen, we actually might have to start being prepared for this technological future in some of these scenarios. If you don't want to integrate with it, if you don't want to have it be a part of your daily regime, then, you know, maybe you should just take that stand. But for now, these are not going anywhere at all. All right. Now, America, make sure y'all subscribe. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. And y'all know it's Astro Aesthetics. Let's get it.